Yeah, there's quite a few people out this morning, but it is Sunday, so a lot of families out with the kids. Having a little wander with the dogs. So I brought Mabel down to the water's edge, of course. I want to get her used to dipping her legs in naturally. And then as the weather warms up... Mabel! Come here. Come here. As the weather warms up, hopefully get her swimming a bit more. But because the short-haired breed, of course, I don't blame her for not wanting to go in. She's not got that double thickness of a lab. Yeah, I'm just looking across there at the cormorant. And in early winter time we had a good probably 15, nearly 20 all down at the bottom area before the heavy rains came. So they must move around these reservoirs looking for food. It's a good sign there's plenty of fish in them. Babe. And one thing that everybody's commenting on at the moment is this tree up here that's come down in the storms. Come on. Just have a little look at it. Just here, look. It's right across the footpath. That's obviously decided it's not having it in that strong wind. Probably not protected enough by its neighbours because it stood out on its own in the middle of the path. Mabe, come here. So we're going to have a little trot back down this way. Mabe, come on. No, we've got as usual Sunday morning rugby training today, so she'll have 50 minutes or so with me this morning and then we'll be off again. So while my lad does his rugby training, we'll give her another walk. So she'll have another hour and a half probably running about. Got some good shots of her yesterday as well, running around in the sunshine, which was really nice. Oh, it's lovely to feel this and see this after such a nasty weather. I'm always interested in these. I think the bat boxers, these down here on the tree there, there's 3 or 4 of them roundabouts. I guess that's what they are. And this is a sign that previous trees haven't survived on their own on this track further down. There's quite a few, actually. There's a couple more here. And this is an area just here that usually where the water streams off the moors at the top and comes through here, so this is an area that just fills the reservoir. It's known after. There's actually a wall there as well, so and the other side of the wall, when it does heavily rain, there is a big massive big pond that forms. So whether it's an underground spring, but all down this area, our houses are built on this hill as well, just 10 minutes from here, so it's a steep valley, so the water has to find its way down. So but there's always issues with drainage through the gardens. Just keeping her on as well because of fishermen, Sunday morning fishermen. if that's actually a new fall. I think it might be actually, yeah, looking at it. There's a complete tree fallen down there, and then there's another one, or whether it's hit the other one and knocked the other one down. So yeah, there's two there. They're fresh. I've seen those before. Yeah, they've fallen there, luckily fallen into the wood. Another one down here. Now to this sunlight, my fingers feeling it. Just a little bush here. Mabel. More back boxes there. It's 4 again. Lovely. And the way the light's shining on the water as well this morning, it's just lovely. It's those beautiful little things about these days. There was lots of beauty in the wet days in some ways, but you've got to go looking for it. But it's there. But these are magical days now.